2019 Lexus ES 350 replace rear brake pad. 14 milli wrench. Open this bolt and first you disconnect this connector. On brake and arm. And 17 milli wrench for here. Back side half 70, 14 bolt. Okay, brake. Take it off this cal. Okay, caliper coming here. This is brake pad. This one done. This is new. This old, new old. Okay. This is for parts number. Brake pad. I show you how move it back. Brake. Put this power here. This is electric brake. तो पिस्टन ही दिखाना पीछे जाता है. ओके दिखाता जाओ. Okay, thank you. I'll let you know. पीछे चला गया है. This wire for ground, negative and positive. Power this one. You want to put this power this down side and ground this side. And you put this one. I have fuse tester. And this is power. Put it down one here. Very easy. Now this will go back. Okay. It's not grease everything, but I checked it. Put it back. $14 milli. And here that's it. That's it. So take brake connector and go connect here. This go. This is 5 lug nut, 21 milli lug nut. Socket, 21 milli socket. Wheel, 14 milli. Tap this button, look here. Push down and coming out. Caliper. I disconnected already for connector. Now I bring in my jumper. This ground. Okay. And give it power. Bring a camera here.